Good morning, brothers and sisters. Ito, narito kami sa sa Thrifty Stores kasi naghahanap ako ng frame. Meron akong ipi-frame that I will donate sa raffle. Sale ngayon, oh. Ito mga frame. And then I will frame it, retouch it and everything. Oh, good morning. Good afternoon, good evening to all my regular subscribers. Pasensya na, very busy tayo sa simbang gabi, helping and assisting, cooking. So, but hindi pa huhuli um, itong aking I will donate this. I am doing a frame of my masterpiece. And I will donate it sa raffle sa last day ng simbang gabi. Kasi pag last day ng simbang gabi dito, may mga activities din, mga raffle. So, sometimes I donate my masterpiece. Ako na ang nagpi-frame. So, ito yon yung ginawa ko, no? Yan. Yan. Ito. And then, pina-blow up ko yan, no? Yan, pinalaki ko yan. And then, ako na ang magpi-frame. Ayan. So, ito yung double matting. Yan, o, ako na. So, alam nyo, ano tayo? Kasi, mahal ang labor ng framing dito, eh. Kaya, we'll do it. Total, meron naman akong mga materials. Oh, kumusta na kayo guys? Ano bang mga pinagkakaabalahan natin? Malapit na, no? Sa ibang bansa, one day na lang, Pasko na, no? So, pasensya na kung hindi tayo nakapag-live stream. Nakapag-live. Very busy. Hope you will like, I hope you will like watching it. Paminsan-minsan, handy lady tayo, no? Yan. So, just wait and you will see the outcome of what I did, okay? So, see you later. So, hindi pa tapos to, guys. Estimation lang. Hello, guys. Hello to all my regular subscribers. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Merry Christmas to all of you. Ito, tapos na, nailagay na natin sa frame. Ako na ang nag-frame because ang framing dito, it costs from $100 to $600, ano? So, yung $100, ano lang yon, very basic lang yon. Napakasimple lang. Wala pang glass yon. Walang matting and everything. Simple lang yon. So, like what I did, I went to a thrifty stores. I used a frame with complete matting. Ano to 30 by 24. Malaki ito. So, ayan, it's done. I'm not a professional, nagpe-frame, but I did my best. My objective here is, I want to promote the Lord Almighty. So, today is the last day of our Simbang Gabi. Very busy, kaya wala akong live ngayon, okay naman ang upload basta kahit mag-upload tayo, basta maganda yung upload natin, mabibili yan ng viewers, meron yang mga hindi nagla-live ang laki ng views hindi nga sila nagla-live, may mga vloggers na they never do the live stream, pero ang laki ng views nila kasi yung content maganda So, today, this is my upload. ito yung resulta, yung outcome nung ano. So, babalutin natin 'yan at, ido-donate natin 'yan sa raffle activity. So, dito yung mga simbang gabi 'pag last day, they really celebrate. Maraming event mamaya may mga dancing pa 'yan at saka siyempre yung food hindi nawawala. So, it's a community gathering. So, ayan, um, so ang para makaano tayo, makapag-promote kay Lord Almighty. So, para-paraan lang use our creativity and resourcefulness. Ano, um, so, Merry Christmas, maligayang Pasko sa mga bansang nagdiriwang na ng Pasko ngayon. O sige, bye for now. Enjoy and embrace the peace, love, and joy. The true reason of the celebration is Jesus, the greatest gift. Okay. So, thank you. Bye for now.